Abashachi bitu barabira mu district zitari zimwe na zimwe nkeya Kabare na Rubanda aho abahinji batahirire mnonge bisharra kandi aba batoreshe mu tibine cyo kucukora ahavo kuba bisharra evi nibyo biri kubabisaho. Omuri Kabare chumwa bisharra echatahiriro mnonga n'echanyombe ekiri kushanga umugombora eyakahunji.
Kirete twagaruka kuri ngo mu rufunja ati itakamurarana cyo kigeze ticyine takerera mara mwancenga kandi entase nyinji turagiye mu rufunja so ngenoimondi nizo zituyambere nico kiratuma twakora kitwagaruka mu rufunja.
Ibi biragite bikasoka ryaza mu mfunja ngeno emiti niyo tuhinjira mu mishozi ngeno bakiya mu rufunjo Kichino gikora guturakora go kuba ninge turiyo emisiri nimwe butaka bwitu bwazi.
Umukwezi kw'ikumi umwaka gwahwire abahinji barengere bishatu bakiceza ku rugo mu cisharreki umuntebe kansa ya government ikwatanise na Green Climate Fund hamwe na UNDP. Aba bakaba barebo kutunga ebyo kubabisaho nkembuzi, empunu, enkoko hamwe n'ebihumbi by'enjoki eshitarashikirire.
So insharara zitwinira umugasho munonga so itwe government kuzitwara tikatushemeza shana nkacabaho ekagira ngo tukompensating sente ziringana n'ensharara zitu ziyatwara at least zirabasa kureizinga entasa irasa kuhera nabwe school fees abana nitwe tukariya tukabahoje
mu season ndungi ndabasa kubona mu ka miliyoni ka 5 ntango ubundi kirarugirira ubundi season urabo utine mbibo ubundi season gende kubi
ndahinga munyeze sharure impera abana school fees kandi nyihe mu n'ikindi cyo mugashunge n'icyo kundungura season ndasharura nka miliyoni 20 ashaho zirarenga 200 300.
Abantu bagumuze ngo cumwabi abaremise kuterezwa n'inguze ibahurire nkaza umuntebe kanseji
bakarabamo bagira ngo barutekamo amabare barapema ngo benda compensating abantu konga turebire compensation n'abamwe tibaragambira nitwa kuko batibaratwikiriho hureje kija kunuhije abantu bamwitwe tutarabetegereza batandika kutushoborera ngo insharara tizitu ngumane za government twabuza shitwe katutwire turakoze se insharara hatine government yatuteganisize government yatandika bata bagira ngo manya government tirehebera jiro ngo turugo mu insharara bija bagumani batusayininga bipapura bamwe batakubicenga twasayininga baturaganisa ngo nibaza kutushumbusha kusimanyi sente tibazireta ngumanye amatungo nkente na nembuzi tibabireta so itwembaho waza kwetegereza insharara zitu tizira tuyambira kubabire abo bantu barenda ngo turateka ngo nabazi twara baratuyamba
abo kujangwe cyanga cya Kigezi ne censhozo mnonga abahinji bagumze ngo barugombe sharra tubine handi ahiba kubasakora
mirenyo abana banje bona barega nyina abana 5 barega bashatu umwarize senior 4 abandi bari mu senior 3 abandi bari mu primary bashasho so ni mundaganye bakuyamuka afizi nkabashishurira mbwira bakashuma kurunje government to tukashabire eturekere insharara zitu ningabwe yatuyihiremo etuhereze inshumbushano zirabasa kutuma twayebesaho nk'abantu na munonga nkitwe minyeto twatwina masko tukakura bazire bitu school fees baraziya mu nsharara barahinge mundi at least batuye sente zirasa kuturondera indi itakari turakoreraho nka business zo buhinji kuno no butunji at least nitwe tukashwa tukija kubesaho generation ze ziraze kwije
nyowe family yanje ni ndeberera nk'abantu ari kwikanka 20 wataho nabunda kozesa bashimira kuba barayika nk'abantu nka 200 abwo kuba nkabarakoramo nibinji nabo bari hamako kurya bahera abana babo nabo baryeho nibinji munonga abwo kuba nko buwitegereza hari bariho nakuri bariyo ngenu nibinji uruna kunimba nyine mu kabakozi bari kwika 50 uruna kuruma
tumanisibwe ngo umurimo gwo kugura ebyo kubakiita abantu babire bariyo bokuruga omu bisharara gukemerezwa mu kwezi kwa kabiri omwaka ogu bwanyuma ya minisitiri y'eby'amaizi n'ebyobuhangwa okumanisibwa ko habire harimu entebeekanisa erikweshaniriza nk'enguzi kikamanisibwa ku sente zirikwingana biliyoni 1.8 ezabiire ziyo z'okuhwera abantu 95 ababire bariyo bokuruga omu bisharara zikaba nizenda kukwatwa kubi obwahati omurimo gw'okukiita abantu aba gukwasibwa minisitiri ya gavumenti z'ebyanga kandi orikwebembera ebyobuhangwa bw'ensi omuri Kabare Evans Asiimwe niwakwasibwa omwuga gw'okureebuuza omurimo ogu.
In fact, this project is still on. Only that I think it is true that the project was getting to too wrong hands. It was getting mismanaged. And then the wisdom of the Ministry of Local Government, they were to hold its project and they were going to carry the procurement. But also, the project was being run by our head of department, the District Natural Resources Officer. And it ideally, this project was being run by the Senior Environment Officer. And last week, I got guidance from the Permanent Secretary to reinstate the Senior Environment Officer to begin running the project and also relieve.
Abebembezi b'ekyanga kya Kigezi bakaba bajumirire entebeekanisa y'okubinga abantu omu bisharara hatariho omuringo gwona gw'okubakiita.
Kutubazire twashanga ebi bintu wayama abantu ezisete ziri kwija Kabare kubigura hati kuzirabe zitijire ngo abantu bazitunge zibase kubayamba omukora imirimo yabo nibeje ku government iri muneta mushi ekeri kwenda kuturetera habwo kuba amatego nka gutubazire agana gutubazire agari kuja ahadayari abantu bari kuto mudayare amata gutukuzo tukagira ngo ahadayare jaje amateri izobaga ahahije haga ago tukashanga gari kuba mate garingana na litazo umutwaro gumwe neceka buri izoba umutwaro gumwe neceka tukagubara ma price ya Kabare ko kutukuza amate twashanga ziri biliyoni 5 obumbi 5 na miliyoni 800 izo nesete iziba farmers abaryo mu ryo mwanya muke okuba isi bari kutunga ku mate kushi abo bantu entete bari kutunga kushi kuja neza mate zimwe ni baziguza ababaji abari kubaga ago kwari abantu abari kutura mu town abari kurye seke abari kwende byo kurya kuza kurya Katare bakarara bari kandi abantu mu town abinji imani barye nyama
ngiga Kigezi tutabaho ufunjo rutaliho na president ayishirize ngo tuhinge warachakanisa aje mureke baru kare baru anturaga njine rikiriza ngo tuhinga abanyakigezi arampandikira ngo mu so ibindagamba ndikwana abantu bitungo bahinge gavana nanda kwana abantu ngo bahinge urufunjo ngine impaga ndarukira tindi bakanisa president Museveni.
Minisita w'ihanga w'ebisharara Beatrice Anywar kworeka hongwe byange bya Kigezi Bukedia na Busoga sub-regions bikatunga umuringo gw'omutano o government eratwazemu yabereye kubihomba bisharara.
Kigezi, Bukedia and Busoga, these are special areas which His Excellency the President has guided how we handle them. One, the President has categorically clearly said these people were misled by other governments to settle down in those wetlands. And many of them are now seeing the badness of staying in the wetlands. Because if the floods come, they don't spare them. But how do we let them come out? Because that is a government directive by then, which we must own it as a current government. So the president said they need to be given some package, compensation sort of, so that they move out smoothly. And I'm busy moving around on the directive of His Excellency the President to talk to our development partners to get what package can give them an alternative source of livelihood so that we don't continue with running battles. If we just force them out of the wetland from growing their rice, which is a source of their livelihood, then what will they do? They will still continue disturbing, and then we shall continue having running battles. We want to remove them smoothly, said, can you leave growing rice in this wetland? We are giving you maybe a cow or some other source of livelihood that you move out of the wetland and then go and start another life.
Obwahati abahinja omu kyanga kya Kigezi nibeebuuza ekyokukora hagati y'okurinda ebyobuhangwa hamwe n'okureeba ngu babiisaho amaka gaabo. Amakuru agagasha kwa Job n'amanya hamwe na Jime Emmanuel ava Tayali West omuri Kigezi.